The National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Itasca County, northern Cass County, until 1 p.m. At noon, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Leech Lake, or 9 miles north of Walker, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Leech Lake around 12:05 p.m. Federal Dam around 12:15 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Benna, Ball Club, Deer River, and Zemple. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. National Weather Service in Duluth, Minnesota has issued a tornado warning for central Itasca County, northern Cass County, until 12:45 p.m. At 12:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles northwest of Leech Lake, or 11 miles north of Walker, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping-pong ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Leech Lake around 12:10 p.m. Benna, Federal Dam, and Lake Winnipesaukee around 12:20 p.m. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Ball Club. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.